this is my yard I made in Hebrew school, and my name is Gabriel, and my Hebrew name is
Hold it still, buddy. Hold it still.
Hold
it still.
Gavor. Mama, what's my Hebrew name? Gabriel. So this is a yod. Yod means hand. So you can't.
Let's see the tip of it. Let's see the tip.
It's the hand.
Okay.
So
okay.
if you touch the Torah with your hand, it's not good because it'll mess up the paper. And
it's not the paper.
I know it's parchment. The parchment comes from animal skin. So you're like, you hold it, and then you go like this. Like, for example, it's like ha'oda laya ki tov ki rosh le'olam ha-modo. Well, this isn't the Torah. This is just a prayer book.
Okay.
Thank you for watching.
Okay. Nice job on that, buddy.
Thanks.